2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha XT250. In the realm of dual sport motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Yamaha XT250 emerges as a top-tier choice, offering a perfect combination of versatility, user-friendly performance, and Yamaha's renowned reliability. With a well-established reputation for its off-road capabilities and on-road practicality, the XT250 stands as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking a dual sport experience. Powering the Yamaha XT250 is a dependable 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. Designed for approachability, the engine provides a balanced and manageable power output, making it well-suited for both urban commuting and off-road exploration. The XT250's smooth power delivery and reliable performance cater to riders who are new to dual sport riding, allowing them to confidently navigate various terrains. Design-wise, the XT250 combines a purposeful dual sport aesthetic with a practical and straightforward approach. The bike features a slim profile, a comfortable upright riding position, and a low seat height, making it accessible for riders of different sizes. The minimalist design, paired with durable components, emphasizes the XT250's focus on versatility and reliability, essential qualities for beginners entering the dual sport segment. Comfort is a key consideration for dual sport riders, and the Yamaha XT250 addresses this with its accommodating and ergonomic design. The bike's comfortable seat, wide handlebars, and an easily readable instrument cluster contribute to an enjoyable riding experience for both short commutes and more extended off-road excursions. The XT250's accessible nature encourages riders to explore diverse terrains with confidence. Handling is a standout feature of the XT250, characterized by its nimble and agile performance. The bike's lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and a balanced center of gravity contribute to easy maneuverability, both on and off-road. Novice riders will appreciate the XT250's forgiving nature, allowing them to build their skills progressively while maintaining control in various riding conditions. Safety features are integrated into the XT250, including a reliable braking system that provides sufficient stopping power. While ABS may not be standard on all models, the XT250's approachable performance and predictable handling contribute to a safe and enjoyable riding experience for beginners exploring the dual sport realm. Affordability is a key factor contributing to the XT250's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on Yamaha's commitment to quality and durability. This makes the Yamaha XT250 an attractive option for beginners seeking a reliable and versatile dual sport motorcycle that can seamlessly transition between on-road and off-road adventures. In conclusion, the 2024 Yamaha XT250 stands as an outstanding choice for beginners venturing into the dual sport motorcycle arena. Its versatile design, user-friendly performance, and Yamaha's reputation for